Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to record on Zoom Workplace. If you want to record your meeting in Zoom Workplace, then first of all, open up your Zoom application on your device. After opening up your Zoom application, make sure that you're signed into your account. After logging into Zoom, go ahead and host a new meeting. Click the New Meeting tab and start up a new meeting. Click the Start button and then you can go ahead and invite participants to the meeting. Click on the Participants button at the bottom of the screen and on the right hand side corner, click the Invite button at the bottom. Now you can choose contacts from your contact list or send your invitation link via emails. Make sure to invite the participants by typing in their correct ID. An automated meeting link will be generated with the meeting ID and passcode so that the people can join into the meeting. Click the Send button to send in the invitation. Now once the participants start joining in to the meeting and your meeting starts, go to the bottom of the screen and look for the Record button and tap on it. After you do that, your recording will start. If you're finished recording, you can simply tap on the Stop button and your recorded file will be converted to MP4 and will be saved on your device. And that way you can easily record a meeting in Zoom Workplace. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.